A quick look at Mr. Krabs and his daughter Pearl raises the question, is Mr. Krabs really Pearl's father? Did he adopt Pearl? Is she his stepdaughter? Or even his biological daughter? And also, what really happened to Pearl's mother? We'll look deeper into that question in just a moment, but there is a darker theory out there that is a bit disturbing. What if Mr. Krabs isn't Pearl's real dad, but instead is her sugar daddy? She only ever calls him daddy, and is always asking for money to go shopping. Wait, what? That's horrible, right? But could it be true? We know that Mr. Krabs certainly has some cash to spare, and Pearl really does love to spend money and ask Mr. Krabs for it, like, all the time. But we do see Mr. Krabs refer to Pearl as his baby at times, right? Of course, plenty of people in relationships call each other baby or other cute names. Also, Nickelodeon is known for sneaking dirty jokes into their shows. You can't watch a single episode of Rocko's Modern Life without catching something that flew over your head as a kid. And SpongeBob is no different. All that being said, the theory is fun, but it doesn't really hold water. The creators of the show have said that Mr. Krabs is indeed Pearl's father. And diving a bit deeper, show creator Stephen Hillenburg has also confirmed that Pearl is Mr. Krabs' biological father. The reason that she is a well is because when creating the characters, Hillenburg wanted each of the main characters to be a different animal. So that does leave the question though, who exactly is Pearl's mother? In an official trivia book written by former show writer David Fain in 2000, it is confirmed that Mrs. Krabs is a well just like her daughter. We often hear Mr. Krabs say the phrase, mother of pearl, when he is shocked or surprised by something, and that gives us an indication that perhaps something bad might have happened to Mrs. Krabs. She never makes an appearance in the show, and as far as we know, may not even be alive any longer. In the episode Married to Money, Mr. Krabs tells Pearl that he may have found her a new mom, and this greatly upsets Pearl, who responds, "No way," angrily, and describes how terrible a stepmother would be. Apparently there was a plan to make a 2-episode long origin story for Pearl and finally let us see and meet Mrs. Krabs. However, Stephen Hillenburg shelved it as he wanted to save it and make sure that it was absolutely perfect, and didn't want it to be done until he had approved of the story. Unfortunately, Hillenburg passed away on November 26th of 2018, and with his passing, also the origin story that was never told. It's possible that one day we will learn what SpongeBob's creator had in mind for Mr. Krabs and Pearl, possibly letting us see or meet Mrs. Krabs. But for now, it is something that can really only be speculated about and looked into as we watch the show again. By the way, some of these videos aren't able to be monetized due to the darker content, so I want to thank my patrons who help me create these kind of videos without cutting content. Patrons get stickers and other cool stuff. If you want to support more videos like this, make sure to check out the link in the description and become a patron. Let me know what you think in the comments. What happened to Pearl's mother? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you again next week with another theory. And as always, adios amigos.